Happy lunch hour, everyone. This is Elsie Kerns. We're going to be live tonight in person, learning the Brazilian toe technique that works with neuropathy, restless leg syndrome, insomnia, also mitigates the side effects of chemotherapy and radiation. So come join us and learn this really easy, relaxing system that anyone can use to help calm that nervous system. Will be at the Center for the Healing Arts right at Voorhees Town Center. We're going to go from 6 to 7:30, and you can register at the link below. I would love to see you and show you how to do this. It's being used at Johns Hopkins Kimmel Center down in Maryland, and everyone seems to find this very effective. And again, no previous experience is necessary. Click the link, come join us tonight. Thanks for joining me right now. Have a great rest of the day.